Today's video is going to be quite random, but I do have a box of weird earrings that I have been collecting for the past couple of months, and I decided today, I think I actually finally got them all in the mail, but I decided today is the day, why not just try them all on in one glorious video. I feel like I started this collection when I first started doing my funky fashion transition videos, and oh my god, you guys, I tried a new makeup trend today. I still have to edit that video, but I don't think it quite turned out like I thought it would, but leave me a comment down below if you guys can guess what makeup trend I was going for. I get this comment a lot because people just think I'm taking these earrings fresh out of a mail package and shoving it into my ear holes, but I have these ring earrings that I love so much. I've had these in my ears now for more than 10 years. I get them at Walmart and I think they're only $8. I love just wearing statement earrings, but I thread them through, which also stops me from having an allergy because I couldn't wear inexpensive jewelry until I figured this out 10 years ago, because I would put in earrings if I was gonna go to a party or something and I wanted to get earrings from I don't know, Claire's, it would make my ears so red and rashy. So this is kind of a solution for lots of those things. Now I just shove the hook through these rings and bingo, there you go. All right, you guys, sippy sippy. Okay, up first, I'm a little bit nervous about these because they're so heavy. You guys, I thought I was getting scissor earrings, but I just got scissors. They just put earring hooks on a pair of literal scissors. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna pick up a piece of paper that I have here. Well, this is actually cardboard, but let's see. Yeah, look at that. These will even cut cardboard. So I guess these could be, you know, quite useful in a pinch if you needed earrings and a pair of scissors. I'm kind of nervous if I could wear these for very long because they're heavy. I mean, it's a literal full-size pair of scissors that you're wearing as earrings. Is this a health hazard? Maybe. I don't know. For some reason, I thought that they were going to be large scissors, but I guess I thought that they would be bladeless scissors or something. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Scissors. Scissors for earrings. Up next, something disgusting. We have tongue earrings. And there were so many different choices for these, but I went with the pierced version. Well, there was not so many. There was two choices, but I went with the pierced version because why not? Look, I feel these are the exact same trick tongues that you see people make videos with all the time where they stick this in their mouth and then act like they have a super long tongue. This is so sticky and gross feeling that I would not want to stick this in my actual mouth. This would be such an interesting texture, it's already trying to lick my little pieces of hair, you know? I feel this would be quite interesting to have on all day. Ugh, because it does just rub up against your neck, and it is a very strange sensation. It feels you've got a sticky tongue just, and the piercing just adds an extra layer to it. So here we go. I almost said I've got tongues in my ears. That is just maybe something that you don't want to say. Something that maybe y'all have a suggestion for a way that I could fix these a little bit. I'm a little nervous if they're gonna have that much longevity to them. And I honestly kind of envision these as a summertime thing, but it's not even December yet, you guys. So we've got a ways to go until next year's summer. They are these little inflatable pool noodle rings. I don't exactly know what these are called, but silly me, like I thought that there was gonna be a way to like inflate these. Like I didn't know they were gonna come in the mail inflated, and they have kind of deflated a little bit already over time, and they've literally just been in this shoebox. So what made them kind of deflate like this? I don't know. One of them definitely was more inflated when it arrived here in the mail to me, but now it's kind of, I don't know, you guys, they need help. They need help. These, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of DIY. So we're just gonna have to hold them up to my ears and imagine, oh my God, look, I'm holding my horses. I did order the hook version for each of these pairs of earrings, but you know, sometimes there's a mistake, a boo-boo. So they did send me like just the ear stud version. So I'm waiting for some hooks to come in the mail, and I'm just gonna like make these hook earrings, but they're ponies. They're small ponies. And I like how they can like majestically run. Although like as I'm looking at them in the little monitor here, they look like they could be raptors or small dogs. I thought that these would be like fun for like my next mini brands video. These are grocery baskets. I think you could get either pink or blue, but I like the blue ones. Look, I have some mini brands. So maybe we can go shopping. Look, I can get some pickles. Oh, that makes it very heavy. Let's get some Peeps and go shopping go shopping in your ear. Oh, Twizzlers. Can I put that on the pickle side? Ooh, what else? Oh, raisin! Everyone's favorite snack. So you guys get the idea, you know? I mean, literally limitless options here. These reminded me of the little Too Faced blushes that came out forever ago. Do they still make those? There is just like an empty, look, maybe you could put like one single Tylenol in there. Oh yeah, look at that. So these are kind of handy as well, because look at that. There is a real actual reflective mirror. You can see one part of your eye in there. I did actually kind of envision myself wearing these open, but maybe that doesn't make a lot of sense. Maybe it does look cuter closed, but then I feel like that kind of takes away from some of the imagination of it all, you know, because like this just looks like a giant puffy heart earring, which is very cute, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't have that like weird essence, you know, where like wearing a makeup compact in your ear, it's a little bit weirder. These I actually bought once before for my swap with the Cheap Chick that we did a couple of months ago. And you guys, I actually thought, oh my God. Okay, you guys, I must confess, I did get these off of AliExpress, and we got the other ones off Temu because that was like a Temu swap video. And when we opened those, like it was not real paint. It was like, it still looked cute like this. It had a real paintbrush in it, but like the watercolors, it was just like plastic dots. But this, I think that these are fully real. That's wild. Yeah, look at this. The brush totally comes out. You can open it. And yeah, this definitely is like, you know, it feels like an Easter egg die tablet or something. But yeah, look, you can see it's got like, this is real. I guess the only thing is you'd kind of have to be careful because like, it doesn't feel like it shuts like amazingly once you remove the tape and open it. So I guess that's like kind of something you would have to think of is like maybe retaping it shut after you use the paints or something, because I feel like if I just actually went out and about and like wore these all day, I feel like there's a very high chance that this container could open up and I would lose my little paints, my little paint brushes. And so, yeah, I don't know, something to think about, but I'm kind of tempted to like just try and do a little watercolor right now. We have these oversized teacups. teacups, which these are a little bit smaller than I thought that they would be, based off of the listing picture, which is so funny compared to the scissors that I thought that those were gonna be just a little bit smaller. So that's a garage door. Teacups. Tiny teacups. And out of all the earrings that we've tested today, I do feel like these are the most lightweight, most comfortable of all the statement earrings. They are giant pieces of plastic, but they're hollow. Therefore, they're lightweight, like little angel whispers. Random interlude. I have a Croc Charm in here, which once again, this is cute and sweet and tiny. This is a lot tinier than I thought this was gonna be, but it is still cute, you know, it's a Croc Charm. We have the, oh, it's a little wonky too, but it's supposed to be the Titanic. What is that called? The little Titanic heart, you know, but it is on a Croc Charm. Wow. You know what? I'll go ahead and show you guys this other random thing as well, which I don't know why I thought this was like so hilarious. I want to go back to doing some space bun hairstyles. That's why I have all these like mini clips, and I always buy like a pair of them. How I have like sometimes 2 teddy bears or 2 iPod shuffles. Well, I got these 2 little frothy beer mugs. That just looks like nothing. That looks like a sad cup on my head. Little recycling bins. I think you could pick like some different color options with this. A lot of these, you guys, I think these got like lost in the mail, because I'm pretty sure I ordered a lot of these in like August and they didn't get here until like basically just now. I don't remember if I did specifically pick yellow or if they just sent me yellow. I don't know, but yellow is a wonderful color. I'm glad that they did. I think it was like green, yellow, blue, and red. So out of all of those color options, I would prefer either blue or yellow. Once again, these are very lightweight. They're very cute. My only critique is I wish that there was a way you could either close or open the cans. I wish that there was like a clasp there so that you could kind of like style them either way. But I do like how you could like really wad up a little bit of garbage and, you know, put it in there. Why not? It's fun and functional. The little hand clappers, these like remind me of Chuck E. Cheese or something. I don't know why, maybe because these were like arcade prizes. This is another thing that I thought these were gonna be a little bit larger than they are. I wish I could like make these clap just by the movement of my head, but I don't think that's working out for me. I'm probably just gonna like poke myself in the eye or something. Oh, look, now I just took them out of my ears. I think I gave these away at Halloween a couple years ago, but they were giant bat shapes. You can push this down and it is a light bulb. Ooh, very lovely. I feel like these are quite fun. Ta-da! Now, how long would the batteries last? I don't know. It does look like you can twist off the bulb part and put new batteries in. Up next, my personal favorites, we've got squeaky frogs, and these look like ye old, you know, like not a rubber duck, but a rubber frog, but like the bath toy kind of aesthetic is what these look like. I feel like these are very fun, very cute, very lightweight. Do you have someone who loves frogs in your life? Because they would probably love these as much as I do. I feel like I'm like putting them on backwards though. It's almost like you have to thread them through your ear backward so that the frog faces forward. Okay, now he's just showing everyone his butt. It's frogs, frogs, frogs. Everyone loves frogs. I don't think I've ever met anyone that doesn't love frogs. Measuring tape earrings. It says that these will measure up to 1 meter or 3 feet. And once again, you could pick a bunch of different colors. And I guess I was like, oh no, okay, the other ones are yellow. These are green. You guys know I love green. But like, look, there is literal, real measuring tape in here. And I feel like that's quite fun, you know? You can be like, what's my shoe size? I don't know what you would possibly need to measure from your ears, but you know, it's a conversation piece. Something that once again is gonna require perhaps a little DIY. We have these, which are bubble wand earrings. But you guys, I thought that they would come with the bubble juice inside, but they did not. So I need some bubble juice so that I can fill the earrings. Because right now they look like bubble wands, and they are bubble wands, but like I couldn't actually just stop in the middle of the day and blow a bubble, you know, which is what I was hoping to be able to do. Now I feel like some of these earrings, despite the fact that they are as big as a billboard, like would you know what these are from far away if I didn't just tell you? Like I feel like some of them, like even the hands, like if you kind of just look at them from the side, or even the measuring tape, if you look at this from the side or the back, like what is that? You know, it looks like a green square. How about French fries? I love these. I have almost bought the French fries as Croc Charms. But see, once again, would you know that this is a French fry? If you just saw me like casually walk by really fast, would you be like, she's got French fries in her ears? You know, because that's the statement that I'm trying to make. You know, and I'm also thinking about if I was filming with these, like for one of those like fashion videos, you know, does this really look that wild, that crazy, you know? That's usually what I'm going for. Uno. I was hoping they would have like Uno reverse card earrings, but they did not. The wackiest one they had was the pick 4, but I have seen these a lot. I have seen these like IRL a lot. I decided to get a pair for myself. Once again, you guys, I feel like this, like you'd probably have to like look at somebody for quite a while before you would see. I guess that's pretty apparent. I don't know, like sometimes like they just spin and like, what is that? I don't know. I don't know. You guys, maybe I haven't had enough sleep today. There were a bunch of different options of chattering teeth earrings, but I definitely liked these. These kind of say, you know, Valentine's Day to me. He's got the rose, he's got pink feet, he's a red mouth. You guys, somehow I have just jumped straight past Christmas to Valentine's Day already. And you can actually wind them up and they will actually chatter. Well, they will. They will if you give them, there we go. They're so wild. They're so silly, you know? All right, up next, these are Kelly Wigglers. I kind of don't know if everybody calls these Kelly Wigglers or not. This is what I always call these, Kelly Wigglers. The fishing lures, you know, if you were to use like the squishy, stretchy, fishy tackle, that is exactly what these things are. You could get this kind of like pearlescent version, or they did have a glow in the dark version, but I kind of just like this way better. Once again, I don't know if you can tell what these are from any kind of distance that I'm sitting away right now. It's skunks, small skunks. And I thought that these were kind of meant to be like Lego skunks. I don't know, is that what these are? Once again, I thought that these would be a little bit larger. But yeah, I kind of thought that these were like skunk Lego dupes. Now I don't even know if there is a skunk Lego. Is that something that exists? Ooh, these make a very pleasant tintinnabulation in my ears. Last but not least, we have these. I don't know if I should like give a warning for these. I call these Dracula lunch. I got style B for Bunny, but they're these little blood bags, and I think these are very cute. I personally love this. But here you go. See, these to me, it's like much more clear what they are from far away. Maybe if you're going to like nursing school. I almost said maybe if you're going to doctor school. I'm pretty sure people only say medical school at that point. Although, is there nursing school? I feel like there is nursing school, but not doctor school, you know, right? Isn't that kind of odd? Maybe somebody can explain to me why in the comments down below. Why do we say nursing school but not doctor school? Or does nobody say nursing school or doctor school? Is it all just medical school and I'm just crazy? That is it for me today. I would love to know in the comments down below, which pair is your favorite? Could you see yourself wearing any of these earrings, or are they just too strange? Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family. That came out all as one word, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!